of the video.
6K.
Yes.
Some high resolution.
Yes, so
Wow.
you see crystal clear
Lineup of bird feeders.
video.
Alright, we've already seen one bird feeder. We're here with Birdfy. Birdfy is a bird feeder product that is available here at CES. I'm going to check out this boat, very creative, very interactive boat. So let's check out Birdfy. Lineup of Birdfy bird feeders. We have this model here that has a solar panel on the side. Then we have that model there that is more flatter roof. We have wooden bird feeders, and then we have ones with metal-based bird feeders. Prima here. Prima is from the marketing team, and Prima is going to tell us everything that we need to know about Birdfy and why this product is different from all the other products out there on the market. This is available here at CES 2026. So over to you, Prima, to tell us about Birdfy.
Hi everybody, I'm Prima from Birdfy. So we have been on the market for about 5 years, and this year at CES 2026 we have won 3 innovation awards.
Wow.
And let's start from here.
This is really cool. I didn't think this was a bird feeder, but this is pretty cool.
This is Birdfy Bath.
Birdfy Bath, okay.
The name is Birdfy Bath Pro. It also won Best of Innovation actually.
Wow. Look at that, a lot of awards.
So what makes it special, it has 2 cameras. It has one that is portrait camera, and here is a wide angle view camera.
Okay.
So you can see the detail of the birds and also as many birds as possible at one time.
Wow.
And we actually have solar panels for both the camera and also the fountain.
Yeah.
And when there's sun, you can see the water comes up and the birds interacting with the water, looking so fun. And
one of the pesky thing I have is I have a couple of these at home from another company, but the squirrels just keep attacking the bird feeds.
The squirrel won't be a big issue. They don't like water as much as the seed feeder, so
that solves that problem.
Yeah, that's better, but it does come. But for now, we're considering improving that part.
Yeah.
And one thing to add here is that we have a de-icer. It's a new attachment that will be available this year. That with this de-icer, which is like heater.
Yeah.
So you can keep the water flowing all year round. So you can use it like all seasons.
All seasons. Wow, I love that. That is really cool.
And the other one you may notice here is another CES Innovation Award winner and also recognized as the best of the best from Best Reviews. This is called Birdfy Vista. It's the world's first 360-degree camera feeder. It's 6K quality of the video.
6K.
Yes.
Some high resolution.
Yes, so you see crystal clear video of the birds. You also see everything happening all around because of the 360-degree feature.
Yeah.
And also it supports slow-mo as well.
Slow motion, okay.
Yes.
Nice.
And what's different from other feeders, there is a air pump system that pumps the seed from this tube to up, so you can control the amount of seed that you want to give to birds per time.
Wow, that's some next level stuff. Wow.
Yes.
For a bird feeder, I didn't imagine it will have, because I have to climb on a ladder, get all the way up there, try to pour it. I always spill it, but this is pretty cool that you have like a hydraulic pump.
And you were asking about squirrel.
Yeah.
With this one,
Yeah.
You do prevent them from consuming all the food.
Yeah.
Because you can decide how much you are putting here.
Yeah, and those pesky buggers can't get in there because now it's a little bit more covered.
Right, and the rest of the seed can keep dry and clean.
Yeah,
Right?
love it. This is really cool. And we're not making this stuff up. They already won these awards. You can see it there. And I definitely support. These are some really well thought out solution for bird feeding.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So-
All right, we got one more winner here that we want to talk about, and this is a bird feeder type solution. We'll pass it over to Prima to talk about this here.
Hi everybody, so this one is a dedicated hummingbird feeder.
Oh, wow.
And it's 4K quality, supports slow-mo as well. It's crucial for hummingbirds because hummingbirds move so fast, and
Yeah.
with the slow-mo, now you can see every wing beat.
Wow.
And it also has a biomimetic design. That's where the name comes from, Birdfy Hum Bloom. This
Wow.
part looks just like a blooming flower,
Yeah.
and the hummingbird will feel like they are actually in the nature. They
Yeah.
come close and drink nectar from it.
So how do the hummingbird get to the bird seed?
Hummingbird only take nectar.
Oh, okay. So it's
Yes.
a nectar feeder.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Very interesting. These guys are thinking about all the what a crazy innovative solution. So awesome job there, Prima.
Hi.
Looking forward to seeing some more of these innovation, and congratulations on all the awards.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys are really taking bird feeding to a whole different level.
Great.
And a pretty fantastic booth, by the way. So check this booth out. I'll have a link here below to click on if you want to purchase any of these products. You can click on that link, or if you want to learn more about a product, you can click on that, and you can discover a little bit more about product and see like what's best for you in your environment where you're comfortable with. Other than that, this is one of the coolest places I've seen. Yes, we'll continue checking out other booths, and see you on the next time.